The Arlo Floodlight Camera 2025 offers an impressive 2,000 lumens of brightness, ensuring your home is well lit and secure at all times. With its 2000K high dynamic range video quality, this camera captures every detail clearly, allowing you to zoom in on facial features or license plates. This device is equipped with a wide 160-degree field of view, providing comprehensive coverage of your property. The integrated siren and two-way audio features enable you to deter intruders and communicate with visitors effortlessly. Weather-resistant and designed for outdoor use, the Arlo Floodlight Camera is built to withstand various environmental conditions. Seamless integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Home allows for convenient smart home automation and control.